Yo, what's up, bitches and homos? My name's Tommy Green. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you are watching me, Tommy Green. Good morning, heteros and homos. Today is... that's what today is, because like most of you guys, my day is a day, because I don't actually know what day it is. Today's Thursday, I think. I'm gonna be making whipped coffee. I saw whipped coffee on TikTok. And like most of you guys, I'm addicted to TikTok. TikTok, 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 TikTok. I saw this ingenious thing called whipped coffee, and I'm gonna make it. Welcome back to Cooking with Tommy, where we are going to be making whipped coffee. So I got my two tablespoons of granulated coffee into our bowl. We have our 2 tablespoons of sugar as well into our bowl. And we need 2 tablespoons of hot boiling water. And apparently with whipped coffee, you have to whip it or like mix it together 400 times. Because I don't think things through, I don't have an electric mixer. I only have a regular whisk. So I'm going to be doing all of this by hand. So I got my hot water. Caution everybody, hot water is hot.
No, it's not hot water, it's cold.
So we got our 2 tablespoons of hot water in there. And we whisk. And we're just gonna keep on whisking until it does something. I have a big bowl, because in that way, doing it in a big bowl, you incorporate more air, so it might do it quicker. I have a feeling my arm's gonna hurt by the end of this.
A few moments later. More moments later.
Oh, it's doing something. Look, that's actually pretty cool.
The next day.
Just gotta keep on whisking it together.
A few moments later.
Les soirées, les teaspoons, les hitons légers. Il y a des cafés, le jour entier. Il y a ces soirs, j'ai teaspoon hitons. Oh my god, wow, look! It's kind of thickening up. Like, oh my god, I've almost done it. That was so quick.
1 hour later.
Et les gens ont les repas, les chiches ont l'été, on mange les temps, les teaspoons les choix, les tempions, les vitons jetés, et les gens ont les repas, les chiches ont l'été, on mange les temps, les teaspoons les choix, les tempions.
3 days later.
TikTok. How'd you do this? I think I almost got it. I just gotta keep on mixing it together. When I told Mother Green about I was gonna make whipped coffee, she's like,
What do you mean whipped coffee? I don't understand.
I'm like, no, it's like coffee, but it's whipped. And she's like,
What? I'm a cook.
1 eternity later.
Apparently I'm supposed to serve it with ice and my choice of milk or non-milk. I don't know about you heteros or homos watching this, but like, I prefer milk because, milk. Soy milk? Disgusting. Sorry, I do not like. Boyfriend David loves soy milk, but it's okay. To everybody to each their own. But I don't like soy milk. I drink skim milk. Okay, we got a soft peak. I think we're done. I'm just gonna go get my milk and my ice, and I'm gonna try some of this. Yeah, I'm gonna try some. So with all the TikToks I've seen, TikTok, 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 TikTok. You serve it over crushed ice. So I got my bowl of ice. So let's just put some ice in my glass. So the ice is in. Our next step is to add our milk. So we're gonna fill it with milk. And we're going to put our whipped coffee on top. But before, I'm gonna try some because I wanna know what it tastes like as is. Like, look at that. Like, oh my god, that's really coffee-y. Oh my god, that's so strong. Why didn't nobody tell me it was this strong?
Let's taste it.
Okay, I'm gonna stop. Gonna stop before I get myself in trouble. So with our whipped coffee, we're just gonna layer it onto our glass. So there's the whipped coffee. Like, so I have my straw. Don't come for me. But
Et les joncs les hauts pas, les chichons l'été. On pourra jouer dans les teaspoons.
oh. Okay, and now let's taste some. Okay. This is a damn good iced coffee. Holy crap. Oh my god. I actually made something good for once. Why haven't I made this before? Why didn't I think of this? Alright, hedges and hobbits, that there was Cooking with Tommy, where I made whipped coffee from TikTok. I honestly had so much fun doing this because it worked, first of all. And it's so easy to do. Alright, hedges and hobbits, that there was it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you guys did, please give this video a big thumbs up and also hit that big subscribe button down below. Hope you guys have an amazing week and I hope you guys stay safe. Make sure you are washing those hands and most importantly, stay the fuck at home. Hope you guys have an amazing week. I love you guys very much. Stay safe. Bye! If you guys haven't made this, please make it. It's so good. That snaps.